Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Tommy's Sheep Crochet and Knitting, and today I'm going to show you how to crochet this headband. So this is not hippo tutorial, this is headband tutorial. If you want to make the hippo, just click the link below this video, or you can find the link, the tutorial also above in the right corner. So let's get started. For this project I will use this yarn. It's called Deluxe Bamboo from Himalaya brand, and this is mix of cotton and bamboo, and you can use any other yarn, it depends up to you. For example, it can be this yarn, it's a mix of modal and acrylic, or you can use 100% cotton yarn, it's up to you. Okay, make a slip knot, and I'm going to use Deluxe Bamboo yarn and 2.5 millimeters crochet hook. And in this project I will use 2.5 millimeters crochet hook and 2 millimeters crochet hook. And now I'm going to make chain 6. If you want your headband wider, it has to be multiple of 2, so it can be 8, 10, 12, 14 is too many, I think. Okay, so I'm going to make chain 6. Now start in the second chain and make first single crochet. One single crochet in next stitch, and now 3 single crochets in the next stitch. So make 3 single crochets in the same stitch. 1, 2, and 3 single crochets in the same space. Then make 1 single crochet in next 2 stitches. So 1 single crochet in this stitch and 1 single crochet in this last stitch. Now chain 1 and turn your work. You will make always chain 1 on the beginning each row, and from this row we are going to use just back loop. And I want to show you where is the back loop. So we will not use stitches like before. This is stitch. Oops, no, this is stitch, and we will not use stitches, we will use just one loop, and it's back loop. So this is back loop where you have to insert your hook and make single crochet. And on the beginning, every row you have to skip first back loop always. So we will not make the first single crochet in the first back loop, but it will go to the second one. This is not right loop, this is right back loop where you have to make first single crochet. So skip one and make first single crochet in the second back loop, 1 single crochet in next back loop, and in next back loop make 3 single crochets. Now always skip one back loop. So always after increase you have to skip this loop and make first single crochet in this back loop, first single crochet after increase, and make one single crochet in the last back loop. So we have 2 single crochets on both sides, and in the middle we have 3 single crochets in one stitch. Chain 1, turn your work and repeat it again. So skip the first back loop and make 1 single crochet in next 2 back loops. I'm going to show you again where is the right back loop. So this is the right back loop where you have to make first single crochet in the row. And make 1 single crochet in next back loop. Okay, we have done 2 single crochets on the right side. Now we have to increase, so make 3 single crochets in the same back loop. Skip 1 back loop, so you have to skip this one and go in this one and make 1 single crochet and 1 single crochet in very last back loop. So we have 2 single crochets on both sides. In the middle we have increased. Chain 1, turn your work and repeat it again. So chain 1, skip the first loop, then make 1 single crochet in next 2 back loops. In next back loop make 3 single crochets. Skip 1 and then make 1 single crochet in next 2 back loops. Chain 1, turn your work, and you will continue like this till you have the length of headband you want. And my headband is 34 centimeters long. So continue working in this pattern, and you can pause the video and then meet me back again, and I will tell you what next. And I think this color, red color, is pretty nice, and I would like to show you the white color of yarn, but it's a mix of cotton and viscose, and it's not so soft like the red yarn. But you can use any material you want. Okay, at the end you have to make a slip stitch and you can cut yarn. So cut the yarn, pull it through, and now we have done the first part of our headband. And now let's make the fastening of a headband. It's pretty easy. On this side you have to pick the left or the right stitch in the middle of headband, or the best space where you should start to crochet the chain, the fastening, is in the gap under. So I would use the gap, this gap, when I will make it. But I want to show you just, you can use the stitch as well, it's okay. And on this side you will use this gap. Okay, for the chain, use 2mm crochet hook. Use smaller crochet hook than for the headband. And I'm going to make 54 chains, but you can make 50 to 60 or 65 chains. Okay, I have done 54 chains. Now I'm going to use back the bigger crochet hook, so I'm going to use 2.5mm crochet hook, and now start in the second chain and make a slip stitch. One slip stitch in the next chain. Then one single crochet in the next two chains. This is one single crochet, and in next chain make one single crochet. Now one half double crochet in next two stitches or chains. So this is one half double crochet and two. In next two stitches, one double crochet, in next stitch one treble crochet, so yarn over twice, insert your hook into the chain, grab the yarn, pull it through, grab the yarn, pull it through two, grab the yarn, pull it through two, grab the yarn, pull it through two loops. In next chain, double crochet, in next chain, single crochet. Now we are going to continue on the other side and make one single crochet. So it will be single crochet in the same stitch where is the single crochet from the other side. In next stitch, double crochet. So it will be exactly the same like on the other side. In next stitch, one treble crochet. In next two stitches, double crochet. In next two stitches, one half double crochet. 1 single crochet in next 2 stitches. And in next stitch make a slip stitch. And then you can make slip stitch like this. Then you can cut the yarn, and then you have to hide and sew all tails inside the headband. And that's all you have to make. Also on the other side of headband, the chain with leaf, and that's really all. Okay, my headband is done, and you can tie it like this. I think it's pretty nice. It's pretty easy pattern, so I think even absolute beginner can do it. If you will have any questions, write me here below the video and I will help you. And you can use it for your toys or for your baby. I think it can be nice for wedding or for baby shower or for just making photos. Write me here below the video if you like the pattern, if you like the headband. If you do, put a thumb up and I will be happy for it. And if you want to make these flowers, just click the link below the video or above in the right corner, because I have single video for it. Then just take white sewing thread and yarn needle and sew them to the headband. If you will make 1 flower or 10 flowers, it's up to you. Okay, so that's all from me for today. I will look forward at the next video. See you soon.